right, so this is lesson 4-6 titled Two-Step Problems. And in this first problem right here that we see, we're going to be looking at a hidden question. And a hidden question is basically something that the problem does not ask us to solve, but we have to solve it in order to answer the question that is stated in the math problem. So let's take a look at this word problem right here about Keisha. Keisha bought glue for $3, sequins for $6, and lace for $4 to decorate her puppets. She paid for these items with a $20 bill. How much change should she get? So let's take a look at that question right here. We want to know the amount of change. How much change will she get? Well, there is a hidden question. Before we can figure out how much change she is going to get, we first have to calculate the total amount of money that she paid for the glue, the sequins, and the lace. So step 1, we need to add 3 plus 6 plus 4. Three plus 6 plus 4 is 13. 13 is our total amount. Now that's not the answer to the amount of change that she should get, but this is the answer to the hidden question. We first had to calculate the total amount of money that she spent. Now we can figure out the change. The change is the amount of money that's going to be left if she paid for these 3 items with a $20 bill. So our second step is to subtract 20 minus 13. Big number on top when we subtract. 20 minus 13. 0 minus 3, we cannot do that. More on the floor, we got to go next door. We borrow 1 rod from the 2, leaving 1 left. And 0 takes the rod back to the 1's place, breaks it into lucky number 10. And now we have 10 ones. 10 minus 3 is 7, and 1 minus 1 is nothing. So our answer is $7. That is the amount of money that she's going to get back from paying with the $20 bill. Okay, now let's take a look at this next problem about Delia. Delia bought 2 bags of lemons and 3 bags of apples. How much did she spend on the fruit? We want to know how much did she spend buying the fruit. Again, 2 bags of. Bags of sounds a lot like groups of or rows of. And when we see that, we're going to multiply. 2 bags of lemons. 3 bags of apples. We need to multiply again. Okay? So looking at our pictures right here, we have apples. And we have lemons, okay? The apples cost $3, and the lemons cost $3. Looking at the apples, if she buys 2 bags of apples that each cost $3, we're multiplying 2 times 3. 2 times 3. 2 groups of 3. I'm adding the number 3 2 times. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Down below here for the amount of lemons. She's going to buy 2 bags of lemons. 2 bags of lemons. 2 bags of lemons. They each cost $3. And I'm going to have to go back up here because I did make a mistake and it's okay. 2 times 3, we solved that already. It's 6. For the apples, she didn't buy 2 bags of apples. She bought 3 bags of apples. So I need to erase that 2 and put a 3 there. Okay, so now I'm skip counting by 3s 3 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 times. That's 3, 6, 9. How much did she spend on the fruit? We need to combine 9 and 6. 9 plus the 6. We're going to add. And we get 15. 15 is the total amount of money that she spent. Two-step problems. This one, again, hidden question. In order for us to figure out how much she spent, we first had to calculate the total amount of money that she spent on the lemons and the apples. Okay, and then combine the amounts to find the total.